Today unboxing is on the new Tomica Premium release, the pair of Ferrari 365 GTS4 and also the Aston Martin DB5. Sadly, no red box release for this month. I believe this may be the very first time in Tomica history that they skipped the release of the red box for obvious reason. And now let's take a closer look at the Aston Martin DB5. Very happy that Tomica secured the Aston Martin license. A very stunning casting. At the scale of 1:62, this casting is highly detailed. I believe this casting can relate to many collectors, as is also the DB5 that appears in the James Bond movie Goldfinger in 1964. Highly detailed casting. I believe Aston Martin must be very pleased, just like me. The details on the grille and on the headlights, very cool. Whole casting looks very solid. The silver body color is the trademark of Aston Martin DB5. Very cool and realistic stock wheels with standard suspension. I'm also very pleased about the opening doors features without compromising the realism. Although the rear light is painted, I love the quality control. It's very clean and very neat. Upon close-up, I find that the silver paint textures is a bit coarse. It should have been more fine with that scale. It's still a very cool casting to add into your Tomica Premium collection. Next, the Ferrari 365 GTS4 in regular color black. At the scale of 1:61, it looks premium. You can see the Ferrari license sticker that accompany with the box, various angle of the casting on the outer box. Wow, very impressive. I really love the details on the headlights. It's very nice. You can see the headlight is gelled together with the body curve. It's very well made. Love the high gloss black on the body. It makes it looks very premium. It's my favorite color as well. Although the wheel set is in plastic, it looks very realistic. Standard suspension included as always. Unlike TLV, which comes at a higher price point, the interior for this GTS4 is disappointing, especially on the steering wheel, which looks basic. The details on the rear light is cool with plastic insert. Love all the fine finishing touches on the GTS4. It's very cool. Apart from the interior, especially the steering wheel, the overall presentation looks premium and decent. Next, the 365 GTS4 in commemorative color in red. Similar angle, just like the regular release, including the Ferrari license sticker. Very cool. It doesn't pale in comparison with the black. This comes with the Ferrari signature color in red. I believe this will be in high demand by collectors due to its body color and also the limited color release. Same detail just as the regular color in high gloss black. Similar realistic wheel set with factory suspension without any opening parts. Realistic rear with the same disappointing interior. Base of the Ferrari is also very detailed as well. The pair of Ferrari 365 GTS4 is a perfect pair. They complement each other very well and also a very nice addition to my Tomica Premium collection. More Tomica Premium unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.